In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube thumbnail after you have already uploaded the video. First, log into your YouTube account. Then, click on the profile icon on the top right corner. Then, select YouTube Studio. On the back end, you will want to find the Content tab on the left side. Click on it. For this example, I will choose my most recent video. Hover over the video and click on the pen icon. This will take you to the editing section for the video. Scroll down and look for the thumbnail section. Hover over the thumbnail and click on the three-dot icon. Then choose Change and upload your new thumbnail from your computer. Once that is done, scroll up and click on the Save button on the top right side. You will see that the thumbnail has been changed. Anytime you need to change your thumbnail, just come to the Content section and repeat this step. Thanks for watching.